going to create we are going to create our Tasbeeh Counter. So it is an Next.js project. So first of all, create an Next.js project, then come in and hit and in the page.jsx or tsx write rafc, then enter. It will generate a page, then write over here home. So just any name to your page. Okay, then come over here and make a variable const count. We are not going to make it const because we don't need a constant value. Let count equals 0. Now here we are going to use a button. So here we are going to first use a h1 and like, and now we are going to add a welcome text. Welcome to my counter web. Okay, now after it we are going to create a div. Okay, then in it first I am going to create a button. Okay, then on click count plus 1. So first let me write the code fast and then I will tell you what is happening in this code. Okay, so this is the basic structure of our code. Right now I'm going to open it in my browser. So just come over here and enter, and then if you click over here it gives some error. What is it? Got a value number. Okay, can we do plus plus except using this minus count, then save and refresh? No, it is not working. So if I use after it, so then refresh, then no. So in I was saying that in this era everyone is using ChatGPT and it is a great tool for us to use. So just I'm going to copy the code and just come on ChatGPT and paste it and just write a small prompt. Help me to identify the error and as well as resolve it. सही है. अब ये पूरा एरर सॉल्व करके दे देगा. वो हो सकता है कि ये हमें थोड़ी सी टेलविंड सी एस यूज़ कर ले. चलिए मैं इसको यहाँ पे कर लेता हूँ पेस्ट. तो मैंने भी कुछ इसी तरह करता बट मैंने सेट काउंट. ओ यस, आई फॉरगॉट. अब यहाँ पे यूज़ क्लाइंट side rendering. Now let me refresh the page. If I click on plus, so it is working. If I click on minus, it is working, but it is going in minus value and it is not so much good. So to make it look great, so what we are going to use, first we are going to use css, tailwind css. Okay, then we are going to use tailwind css, and we are going uh, leave it. First we implement tailwind css. Implement tailwind css. Tailwind d is missing, no problem. Okay, first let me explain you this code without tailwind css. Otherwise if we add tailwind css it will become more complex. So just leave it. Let me tell you. So here we have in Next.js, everyone know that we create some we create some variables. So here we use const, okay, and we create a variable count which is 0, which value initial value is 0, okay, and we are using states means hooks. We are using hooks in it. So uh, it is the count, okay. Now I just display a heading, then I create a div, and then I create a plus button which is here. Let me show you the plus button. This one, see, this is the plus button. This is the plus button which is coming from the here. If I remove this, so the plus button will go. See, so this is a plus button and this is a minus button. Let me clear your concepts about it. So on click means when person click on what on which place, on which object the person click, the person will click on this plus. The person will click on this plus, okay. So on click on the plus, set count here, use set count. So set count plus 1 means the set count value is 0 and the count value is 0. I have created two variables, set count and count. Both of the values are 0, but one is for one is a normal variable and second one is for you states and means hooks. So if someone press on plus, so it will count plus 1 means 0 plus 1, and if someone press minus, so count minus 1 and means uh, 0 minus 1. Okay, then copy the, I'm right now copying the code with tailwind css. Now just see a magic. Let me refresh it. Okay, once more error. I know what the error is. It forget to use state, use client and save, and then let me refresh it. Now you can see unexpected and of JSON. It was not error, okay, but it is going in this value. So let me remove first this reset button, as I'm going to just make it easy for you and tell you how can you create this easy minus reset button. So what you have to done, what you have to do, come here, and after plus and minus button we are going to create one reset button. So just write button, okay, then on click, on click. So in on click we are going to create a function, arrow function, like this, and set count, okay. Then in set count we are going to add count minus count, 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 okay. Count, I think it is right. No, it is working, okay. So now we need to give a text. So reset, I am going to give it a reset text. Now come over here, and if we press on reset, if we do this like plus or minus something, so it will minus count. Minus count means 2 minus 2 is equals to 2, minus 2 minus 2 is equals to minus 2, minus 2 is equals to uh, plus 4, minus 4. Let me try minus 2 minus 2 equals minus 4, yes, but it uses a different concept. Let me tell you how. Count, count is For example, the count value is -2. Okay, then it will minus another -2, minus -2. Hope you can understand. It will be 0 how? Like there is a bracket and there is a minus from the this question. So minus minus plus. So if we remove it from here and add a plus and add a plus button, so -2 plus 2 is equals to 0. So now I hope that you can understand what is happening here. Okay, now it is a small example of Tasbeeh counter, but as we are using ChatGPT, it is a big advantage for us. So right now let me copy some reset button styles because I refresh all of them. Okay, now come over here, use client, CLIENT client, Control S for save and then F5 for refresh. And now you can see, but I'm going to I'm going to take help from ChatGPT. So it's good. Okay, this is a prompt you can also write. So it's good, but I need that the value should not go in uh, negative, means minus. So I can also write it, but I am going to tell you how can you add prompts and use ChatGPT. So first let me copy the code and then try the code, is it working or not. Forget all the times, what the heck. F5 for refresh. Now see, the button is not working on 0, means it will disable. So let me tell you and why, what it is happening. So here ChatGPT has created another button of minus. Okay, so on click everything is remain same, but count, if count is greater than 0. Okay, count is greater than 0, set count is greater than 0 means it will only work if the count is greater than 0. Okay, count -1 is 0, means it will not allow count to go below 0. Okay, then if we talk about this disabled means, and if the count is equals to 0, so the button will be disabled. Okay, if I put it here 1 and refresh it, so in 1 it will be disabled. 1, it is disabled right now. On 1 it is disabled. So hope you can understand me. Okay, so thank you Huma Farhan. I am so glad to see your message. Thank you so much. So it is working, but we need a good UI. So I'm going to search here a Tasbeeh counter. We are not going to use API, we are going to use Tasbeeh counter. Okay, then copy this. Okay, then save image as, and then save image download 1.jpg. Now come over here, add a picture, come attach files, upload from computer and download 1.jpg. I need this type of UI. Okay, now we are using it for our help. Okay, it is not our need. I am able to tell you everything, that what you have to do and where you have to do what, which thing you where have to do. I am telling you each and everything. I am telling you all the functions, that why we are using this, why we are using this, because I have already learned these things. You have not learned these things, so please don't use ChatGPT. It is not recommended. Just try by your own self. Okay, now you can see it is good, but I don't like it anymore. So let me do one more thing. Just press Shift Alt Shift Window S. Okay, what you have to press, Shift Window and S. Then take a screenshot and then paste over here. It's not that it is the prompt. It's not that I want. It will help ChatGPT to understand that you don't ask him for this one, but he has generated this one, so this will be helpful for you. So thank you guys for reaching my live session to 21 views. Nice to see it. One current viewer. Thank you. I don't know who is the viewer. If you are active, so write anything on chat, so I will know that you are active. On GitHub and Vercel too. So first come over here and come over GitHub. Okay, then control B. I see. So, uh, control shift C. Let me go to this paths. Okay, CLS CD two dots. Control V. This folder. Then I need to copy the whole folder. Uh, Copy. Control C for copy. And here I need to paste it. I'm not able to paste it, bro. More options and paste. It is unable to copy code and this one copy and then paste. That's why I was doing the same thing. Okay, bro. Thank you viewers for viewing my video. I'm so much happy to see you there, guys. Okay, let this file come. Okay, now this Mac wipe here. I don't want to use Mac wipe right now. Okay, disturbance. So let me rename it as the counter. Okay. S for save and Control J and PM run dev. Oh, hello. I was taking it and on my Mac bike. Let me quit it. Wow, that was nice one, bro. At this time you are saying me that I cannot publish it. Wow. As you can see, how many problems that we face. I face actually. So first, let me open window E and this PC and backup and coding folder, my coding folder and this deployed this one, and this one. Which code do we save this one? Okay. So I need nothing. I just need this my app control C for copy and a folder be counter, okay, and paste over here. That's a single thing I need from you. Okay, waiting for logo. Just hey, stream is quite long. Let me again send the link to everyone. So I think we can try the publishment in the next video. Yeah, because it's taking so much long time to copy some file and folders because the node module file is so much long, uh, so big file, and I hope that it will take so much time. So yeah, I guess that's it for the video. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Oh, let me close this. Yeah, again, bye bye. And I hope that it will take so much time. So yeah, I guess that's it for the video.